Check. You guys hear me okay? Awesome, cool. All right, well, thank you everyone for coming. I know this a little bit more people than I expected for a theater session, but I'm glad you guys all came out. So we're going to be talking for the next 20 minutes or so about getting up and running, building a bot in 5 minutes, specifically for Microsoft Teams, but actually a lot of this is going to be applicable for any channel that you want to deploy your bot to. So quick show of hands, how many of you guys know Teams? All right, so you guys know Teams. I don't have to talk about Teams much. What we're going to be talking about, quick intro. I am Larry Jin. I am a Group Program Manager on the engineering side for Microsoft Teams. I work on the developer platform. So, I specialize in how developers can bring their custom solutions, bots, tabs, and other integrations into Teams. With me today is my excellent colleague, Mark.
So my name is Mark Rackley. I am a Teams MVP, and I've been working with Larry for a while now on this stuff. And hi.
Cool. So we're going to be focused on how, in 5 minutes, give or take 1 minute or so, you can get up and running with a bot that is basically an FAQ bot. So we're going to be using a few different technologies today with Q&A Maker and App Studio, which is a tool inside of Teams for packaging and distributing your app. And then really kind of the takeaway is how you can get up and running and started with this very, very quickly. And so, Mark will attest, he actually didn't do much with chatbots at all before he started on this. And I said, Mark, I want you to do this. You have 5 minutes. And he said, all right, I'm going to get it done.
That's not what I said exactly, but I got it done.
So this is just a quick overview of the Teams developer platform. For folks that want to learn more, there's a session tomorrow, BRK3119. I'll flash a slide with all the sessions, but we have a session that deep dives on the Microsoft Teams developer platform and extensibility tomorrow if you guys are interested in that. But for today, we're just going to be focused on the bot slice of it. So how do you get a bot up and running, and how do you bring it into Teams for end users? And so first off, the reason why this is an interesting topic is because when we think about some of the scenarios for an FAQ bot specifically, for, departmental knowledge, company info, troubleshooting support. There's a lot of these use cases where your end users in your organization are going to want to be able to quickly look up information, whether it's tribal knowledge for your for a specific team or department. It could be generic company-wide information like dates, events. When's the next holiday? Where do I access paid leave information? And then lastly, we see a lot of these troubleshooting and support cases where for people to kind of self-serve, with a help desk kind of situation. Hey, I want to troubleshoot my networking, my Windows 10 setup. And so there's a lot of these use cases where you want to be able to have some basic bot functionality, natural language chat, ask these questions, and quickly pull back knowledge, and for users to be able to get that easily. And the reason why it makes a lot of sense in Teams is because we want Teams to be that one-stop shop, that hub where people can get work done and team productivity. And so we think about bringing these pieces together. Really, it's taking the Azure bot service as kind of that runtime, Q&A Maker, which is the tool that we're going to be looking at today to actually go and configure and set up that FAQ bot, and then lastly, packaging that and bringing that into Teams and actually pushing that out so that all the users of your organization can get access to that bot. So just to kind of go through the high-level steps that Mark's going to be showing. First off is in Q&A Maker, you're going to see how you register that Q&A service. You're going to see how we can basically take an existing document or a website knowledge repository, connect it to that Q&A Maker service. And then secondly, configure that with your Azure bot service that you stand up. Do some basic testing. So with the Azure bot service, you can test that bot easily in the web before you deploy it to your end users. The fourth step is then you got that bot running. It works with your FAQ source in your knowledge database. How do you then bring that into Microsoft Teams for the Teams users? And then lastly, we're not going to talk about this too much today. This is something where, tomorrow in the deep dive session, you'll see more of, which is how do you then augment that basic bot and actually bring online other capabilities to make that experience even richer in Teams with things like tabs and adaptive cards. So with that, I'll actually hand it over to Mark, if you want to switch the input there.
Let me switch that.
And he's going to show us basically in the next, it's really 10 minutes, but 5 minutes plus some talking in the middle of the actual steps that we outlined over here.
Yep. Thanks, Larry.
Get that out of the way.
Yeah, so when he reached out to me, what was it, a week and a half ago, and he said, hey, you need to create a bot. And I'm like, okay, let's do this. So I'm going to take you guys through how you can easily get started with this bot. The first thing I've done is I've logged into my Azure portal. And when you're in your Azure portal, if you go to your services, you can, from here, just filter on the bot services. So now we can see our bot services. So I have a couple of bots already created, but I'm going to create a new bot now for you guys real quick. We're going to create a bot. And we go through this process of creating a bot. It's going to take us through a really easy wizard to help get that created. And maybe 11 minutes.
Blaming the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Give it a few more seconds, otherwise if there's one you already have loaded up.
And I do have another one loaded up. I just kind of want to show these guys the screen. So no fear, we'll get something going. Let me refresh this. We'll try again real quick. If all else fails, I'll jump to the one I already have created. So we'll go to all services, look for bot services. We'll add a bot.
Latency is proportional to the number of people in the audience. So the more people there are, the more time it's going to take.
Get off
there
the
you
Wi-Fi.
go. Yeah.
All right. So then we have a choice of creating different bot services. We're going to be choosing a web app bot. So we're going to create that. And then we're going to go through and configure it. We're going to give it a name. Just call it Ignite Bot. Choose our subscription. Choose our location.
So just really quickly on the options that you saw earlier, this is the kind of the standard option where you're going to host that service in Azure Compute. There's another option that it's just really a registration-only bot, and that way if you want to deploy your bot in another cloud provider like AWS or Heroku, you can use that but still use that registration. And there's the third option was actually use Azure Functions. So if you want sort of a serverless compute model for bots, just very lightweight, you can do that as well.
Yeah, and there are several options for creating bots. But for the Q&A maker, we're going to come in here.
I think the audio.
Okay, 12 minutes.
Audio cut out?
Yeah. Wait, can you hear me yet? No? Am I back?
It's good? Okay,
I'm good. All right, so you can see from the bot template, you can choose between C#, Node.js, and you have some other options. But one of the options is the question and answer bot. So that's what we want to select. And then make sure our other settings are correct, and we'll just go ahead and create that. This actually takes a few minutes to provision, so we're not going to wait for it to do that, but that's all the steps you have to do to actually create the bot itself in Azure. So if I go back to my other bots that I already have created, we're going to leave off from there and pretend that this was the one we just created. We're going to Mark's Awesome Bot. So from within this bot, you see that we can go to its settings, but we also have the ability here to test in web chat. So I'm going to test this web bot right here in the web chat, and you can see it's going to start up for me, and I've got a text box down here where I can type in hello. So wait for a second, and you notice that it comes back with a message. Because I haven't finished configuring this bot, and it knows it's a Q&A bot, it says it's not configured. You need to set up your knowledge base ID, authorization key, and your endpoint host name, and it gives you a link here that you can go to steps you through all of this setup step by step. So everything I'm doing today, you can actually follow from this guide, and it'll show you how to step through it. But what it ends up doing is it takes you to the Q&A maker. And this is an Azure service that uses the AI cognitive services to help you create a knowledge base for your chatbot. So here in the Q&A maker, I need to create a knowledge base. And it's going to show you your current knowledge bases that you have. I don't have anyone. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm going to create a new one. And one of the first steps you have to do when you're creating a knowledge base is to create a Q&A service. And you also create this in Azure, but this takes you through the page. I'm not going to go through and fill out these properties because this one takes a few minutes to create as well. But you just go through and fill out the properties for your service. Then you'll be able to select that in the Q&A maker. So I can now say I want to select my Q&A service. And there's one called Mark's Q&A service. Third step is to name your knowledge base. We're going to call it the 5-minute knowledge base. And then you have a couple of options where you can point it to a URL or upload a file name. We're going to skip that for a moment. There's also this option to use chit chat. So you can choose whether you want your bot to have a personality. So you can choose a professional bot, you can choose a bot that's a friend, or one that's a comic. If you do that, it's going to populate your knowledge base with a bunch of pre-canned questions and responses. Like you can say, how are you doing? Or you're awesome. And the bot will respond accordingly. So if you want to give your bot some personality, this gives you some pre-baked questions and answers. I'm not going to do that either right now, though. I'm just going to create this knowledge base. So now I can actually go through and start adding question and answer pairs for this bot. So let's just add one real quick. So I can say, what time is it? And for the answer, we can say, time to go to Larry and Mark's session. Now I can save that. It should just take a second.
It's one of the 5 minutes. We've been waiting for that loading dialog.
Right, so half the 5 minutes is waiting, apparently. Okay, so now it's saved. We can publish this knowledge base now.
What's cool about this too is that with Q&A Maker, because it uses cognitive services, it's not just a literal sort of string matching. It's actually training on a set of potential utterances. So you could have fuzzy matching and all kinds of different variations of the language, and it'll still produce that result, which Mark will show in a second.
It's actually really cool. So after it's published, it's going to give you some information about your knowledge base, including the host name, the authorization endpoint, and the knowledge base ID. And if you remember, that's exactly what we needed over here when we tried to use the chatbot. It says we need to know your knowledge base ID, your auth key, and your host name. So we can now finish configuring this bot. So if I go into my application settings, I can scroll down to my settings for the authorization key, the endpoint, and the knowledge base. So I can come back to our Q&A maker and just copy those values. So I can get the knowledge base ID, knowledge base ID, get the host name, and we will get the authorization endpoints. All right, now that is set up, I can save it. And we can actually start using our chat bot now. So I can now, again, test it in the web chat. And now I can ask a question. Now if I say hello, wait a second here, it's going to warm up.
Oh.
We're up to 6 minutes yet?
Demo jitters.
Yeah.
Too many people on the Wi-Fi.
It's going to work here in a second. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set up the Teams channel, and we'll do it in Teams, and you can see it work in Teams that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe it just takes a few seconds.
If you're not swamped, if your network's not swamped, you can now interact with this chatbot and use it in this test web chat. So you can actually get the responses and chat with it, and it'll give you the responses that you would get for that bot, which we'll see here in a second. So within your bot, you also have a set of channels that you can specify. And you can see by default, we have that web chat that we're using to test it in. But you have all these other channels that you can add your bot to, including Teams. So we're going to go and add the Teams channel so that we can test this bot within Teams. So I'm going to agree to the terms of service, set up that channel. And then I can click on that channel, and it will launch Teams. And it will launch that bot in Teams. So here we have the bot, and you notice that we have a text box to enter our questions. If this is disabled in your tenant, it means you have not enabled side loading in your tenant for applications for Teams. So you would need to enable side loading if that's disabled. But now I can try to come in here and chat with our bot in Teams. And it says no match.
Oh.
So we heard back from our
Nice.
bot. It doesn't have a match for hi, though. It doesn't know what hi mean. If I had used one of those chit chat bots, it would have responded back to me with some response for how it was programmed for hi.
Or a bad joke or something.
What's that?
Or a bad joke or something.
Or a bad
if you
joke.
pick the comedian.
My bots would be bad jokes. But I can ask it, what time is it? And it will respond back with it's time
There
to
you
go
go.
Larry Mark
Yep.
session. Okay, so it's now using that. And because it's using the cognitive services, I don't have to even ask what time is it. I can just say time, and it'll respond back with time to go Larry Mark sessions. Okay? So this is now working within Teams, but you don't want to fill out your whole question and answers. That's kind of boring, it's long. And what do we all have? We all have company facts, right? We use them every single day. So what's really cool about Q&A Maker, and I think this is one of the, I'm going to start using this in my company now. If you go to your knowledge base and you edit that service and go to its settings, one of the things you have is the URL to a knowledge base. And what I'm going to point this to is the Microsoft Ignite FAQ. So if you go to Microsoft.com, this is the actual FAQ from the Ignite website. And I'm going to take this URL and I am going to give that to Q&A Maker as the URL for my knowledge base. So now I'm going to save it.
Should have prepared a little dance for this part.
I know, you do not want to see me dance. That's not a good thing. And now let me publish that again. Hang tight. It should only take a minute. Okay,
There we
now
go.
that it's republished, I can now come back into Teams over here, and I can again ask about time, and it will still respond with our previous question of time to go to Mark and Larry sessions, but now I can say, well, I want to know about registration, if I can spell it right. And the bot's going to respond, visit Microsoft Knowledge Base or email Microsoft about registration. Well, I want to know about hotel cancellations. The bot responds with what was in that FAQ that contained about about hotel cancellations. So you can actually go through there now, and instead of having to search through an FAQ for exactly what you're looking for, you can ask the bot, and the cognitive services will give you the response it thinks. So you don't have to match that or have the exact right keywords.
Yeah.
So,
super common pattern. I mean, every company's got their intranet web pages with a bunch of, curated content that people have built up over the months and years. And to be able to take all of that, ingest it through, using Q&A Maker, have that running, in a bot service with your Azure account, and then have that within Teams and available for end users. I mean, it's pretty awesome what you can do in just a few minutes.
Absolutely, yeah. And we've got like 4 minutes left. We can go ahead and get this probably deployed into Teams, right?
Yeah. So one of the things that, just to tee that up for Mark, is what you've seen now is clicking from that bot, the bot framework website from the Azure portal into Teams. That was just kind of side-loading that bot. So he's just sort of testing it right now in Teams. But if you wanted to actually make that available for the broader organization, there's the ability to do that as well.
Right, and one of the new features that's been released is the App Studio in Teams. And you'll be talking a lot more about this tomorrow, I believe. Yeah, so using the App Studio, we can now create a manifest and get that bot into our Teams environment. So I'm just going to quickly use App Studio here to get it set up and set up that bot. So I'm going to do a bot, and you can see the App Studio has its own chat bot to ask questions to, but what we need is the manifest editor so that we can create a manifest for our chat bot. So I'm going to create a new app. I've got to give it a name, and I got to give it a URL. Let's give it
So under the covers, this is creating a JSON file that describes this Teams application that requires all the necessary metadata to package it. But what's cool about this tool is you don't have to go and handcraft that JSON yourself, which is quite error prone. And instead, this tool kind of provides a form to fill that out, and at the end actually provides some tools to go then and reload that into Teams for testing.
So I just fill out some URLs here. You can give it an icon and you give it an accent color, and then we just got to configure the bot here. So let's set up the bot. It's an existing bot, and we need to get the application ID for the bot to finish that, and that's over here within within Azure. If I go back to my application settings, then I can go to my application ID, which is right here, and we will call it chatbot. And your options are to put it the scope of personal or team. If you put it in personal, it's going to put it in your side menu here. If you put it in team, you can actually post the bot to a channel in a team. So I'm just going to go ahead and select both personal and team. And now we're going to test and distribute this, and let's go ahead and install it. You can also create packages and upload it, and that's some other stuff Larry's going to talk about tomorrow. But I'm just going to go here and select the team. I'm going to put it in my manufacturing team, install it. And I got to choose which channel. I'm going to put in my general channel. So I now have this chatbot set up. If I go to my manufacturing general team, it says that I added the bot to the team called chatbot, because that's what I named it, really original. And I can chat with the bot from here. And I can ask the same thing about the agenda, about information from the bot, and it's going to get back to me.
If you go back to that team, Mark, and ask it the same question, and down there in the, type the same question, registration.
Okay.
It should also hopefully pick that up and reply.
Yeah. So now I can actually chat with the bot in the conversation.
So now you can actually share this with other people on the team. It's not just information for your own uses.
And I do have it, since I had it personal, it also added it over here for me too. So there's my chat bot, and I can just access it directly whenever I want to from the side menu there.
Yep. Yeah. So that's about it. Hope you guys learned something from this and were able to see how we can bring this together. We're here for any questions you might have.
Thank you.
Thank you.